Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn the fall of Troy. Yesterday, means last lecture, we have seen about means how that Greek army they attack on the sleeping city of Troy, and they attack, they killed, okay, they burn and they burn they means houses, towers, and palaces, and began to burn and kill to the Trojan. And now, next last paragraph. Troy was filled with the sight of leaping flames and the sound of shouting and noise of weapons and the cries of weeping women. And after attack of Greek, Troy was filled. It is filled with the sight of leaping flames because Greek burns houses, towers, okay, and palaces, and that's why Troy was now filled with the leaping flames of burning fire, and there was sound of shouting because Trojan were slept that time, and that's why when they slept that time sound sleeping, that time only they attack, and that's why there was a means sleeping flames of burning fire, sound of shouting and noise of weapons and the crying of weeping women, and women were crying loudly. The sleeping Trojans sprang out of their beds, but they were taken by surprise. And when some sleeping Trojan they come out of the bed, okay, what they saw? They were very surprised. Their enemies were right inside their walls, and many of the Trojans were killed before they could put on their armor, seize their weapons. And it is they were very surprised. Trojans were very surprised because what they saw, their enemy Greeks, they are right inside the wall of Troy, and they killed many Trojans in front of them before they put their armor and seized their weapons. A bright light lit up the light sky as palaces and houses, temples and towers went up in flames. Bright light lit, and that in that bright light, in that night sky, means in it is a night. It was a night time, and in that night time, palaces, houses, temples, towers went up in the flames, and that's why that city was at the night time. That city looks very bright, means in that city there was spread the bright light because of that burning flames. The Trojans fought as well as they could, but it was all in vain. Trojan fought with Greek, but it was in vain. In vain matlab there means trying, it is not enough to means to fought with ग्रीक्स, मतलब उसके प्रयत्न जो भी उसने ट्राई किया वो सब कम पड़ गए. ओल्ड किंग Priam was killed with all his brave sons. Old King Priam, he was killed all his brave sons. Hector's wife and his old mother and sisters were carried off as slaves by the conqueror, and conqueror carried Hector's wife. Hector's wife means who? Helen. Their fate was in contrast to Helen's when King Menelaus rushed through the city. But their fate means their luck was in contrast, means opposed to Helen's when King Menelaus rushed through the city. Because King Menelaus, he was killed. Okay, he was killed in the fighting, and that's why means when they pushed to kill Helen, but it there means it is contrast. It is very means that it their fate, her luck was very contrast because her husband was killed in the fight. Looking for her and found her in her palace, she hung her head in shame and sorrow as she faced her former husband. she hung her head, means in shame. She is very shameful when she come front of the Greek. Okay, and she sorrow as face her former husband, and she was sorrow to her for her husband. Okay, sorrow means she was sad. Her voice was choked with emotion and she could not speak. Her voice was choked, means unable to speak. She was unable to speak because of emotion and she could not speak. But Menelaus forgave her and she went back with her. But Menelaus, he means forgive her. He excused to her. Okay, Menelaus was not killed, but means Hector. Okay, Hector's he was means he was killed in that fight. She went back with him, for it was only Aphrodite who had turned her heart away from her home and her husband and child. It was Aphrodite. Aphrodite means a goddess of beauty and love of Greek. Okay, means it's the luck of her, that goddess Aphrodite, who had turned her heart. Means she turned, that goddess turned her heart away from her home and her husband and her child. Okay, and when morning came, nothing was left the proud rich city that had resisted attack for 10 years. And when at the morning, nothing was left of the proud in the Troy, that rich city that had resisted. Resisted means affected by the action of Greek for 10 years, which means that war was went for 10 years and that city was affected because of that, and means like this way Greek won, means that war by the trick but not bravely. Okay, like this way this lesson finished. See here Menelaus means he was successfully means he was succeed to take her wife at her home. Okay, like this way this war. Thank you. Okay, now see which question you have to write. Beside questions and meanings you have to write in your notebook, and here you have to write question number 1, 2 and question number 3 in your notebook. And here it is related to grammar question that we learn next period. Okay, thank you.